how to use WeChat without QR code in 2026. So if you want to use WeChat without QR code, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your WeChat application. After opening your WeChat, go and allow the notifications. Now in my case, I've already logged in, but let me just simply go and log out. Now it will take you to the login interface, right? So you need to just simply go with the help center. You will have the more option, which will be in the bottom right, and then go with the help center. So it's going to switch you to the help center. Now scroll down a little bit. Click right there where it is highlighted with a blue ink, the first option, which is contact us or support or feedback, whichever it is. You need to just simply click on that option. After that, go with feedback and support and then click here. Click where it says click here. And then here you need to appeal with the WhatsApp help center. So you just need simply go and enter the platform, the region, and then the categories. Under description, you need to write that I'm not being able to log in or use my WeChat and I want to use it without QR code. And then you can also upload some screenshots if you want to, and then enter your WeChat account email, your account username, and then check this box and then go with submit. And within a few hours, you may receive a mail on how you can fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.